Hello students. So this is a question from NEET Physics Phase 1 book and the question number is 5. So a car travels from A to B. So here is our car. Okay, let's make a car. Here is a car A to B. So car travels from A to B at a speed of 20 kilometer per hour. 20 kilometer per hour and return at a speed of 30 km. So I will make that A only here. So it will return at a speed of 30 kilometer per, because we know that it is returning from A to B and then B to A. So this distance, take this distance is S and this distance also S and S. So the total distance is 2S. Total distance is 2S. So the average speed of the car from the whole journey is, so is asking about average speed. So we know that what is the formula for average speed? That is total distance upon total time. And total distance we have, that is 2S. And total time is time from A to B and time from returning from B to A. So how we will find the time? So S, this is the distance and divide by the velocity. So we know that velocity is equal to distance upon time. If you want to find out time, so the time is equal to distance upon velocity. So here we get time is equal to S divided by 20. So now we will put for this half, it is S divided by 20, and for the second half, it is S divided by 30. So from S to S cancel, and then we got 2 divided by 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30, and we take that LCM, that is 60. It is 3 plus 2, 5 by 62. So here it will go 2 into 60 divided by 5. It is 24 kilometer per hour. So our option is option second, 24 kilometer per hour. Thank you.